Pour this on your mop, and it will always stay clean. I never spend money on new equipment. A dirty mop is a breeding ground for bacteria and bad odors, collecting dust and grime. Here's a simple trick to make your mop bright white and fresh. Start with a small plastic bag or mesh sack. This will be your cleaning station. Place the dirty mop head inside. Sprinkle some laundry detergent to break down dirt, then add dish soap to dissolve grease. Next, add baking soda for its disinfecting power. Finally, pour in warm water to activate all the ingredients. Tap the mop a few times on the floor to create foam that lifts the dirt. Tie the bag tightly and let it sit for 15 minutes. After that, prepare 2 buckets of water. Take the mop out and rinse it thoroughly. Done. Your mop is now spotless, fresh, and like new, all without endless scrubbing. A quick and easy way to refresh your mop at home,